Why an approver of pen? 6 months later, when someone asks, Asif is an assurance later, determines the code, checks the facts, AI reads the document, and the human always makes the call. Every step leaves evidence that can be verified after the fact. This is the live product. I'm signing in as a requester. Here's a contract renewal. ASIP extracts the terms, evaluates exposure against policy, and drafts the decision the AI proposes it never approves. Now, watch this. I'm the person who requested it, so I try to approve my own request. The system refuses. Separation of duties isn't a policy document here. It's unparsed at the API. The approver signings in reviews the same evidence and approves. A receipt is issued and is not a long line. It's an on-tree and a hash-linked chain. Every hop across every service is recorded with the same collation ID. Every AI call is in a ledger with a hard spending cap. You can reconstruct the entire decision from the evidence alone, and we don't ask you to take our word for it. This is an independent verifier running 13 checks against production, added chain, Hopgraph, provider ledger, deployment provenance, 13 of 13, verified option. Detection is the easy how. Proving the decision is the product. That's ASIP.